Greetings, young men. This is Principal Kafele. I'm in the city of Canton, Michigan. I'm literally on my way to do about a 4-hour presentation with a group of educators, teachers, administrators this afternoon. But as I was driving, I had a thought. You see the car right behind me. I literally pulled over into a parking lot so that I can record this message. It's hot on my mind. And I said, I'm not going to wait till later. It's hot on my mind. Let me talk to you right now. And that message is, never underestimate yourself nor shortchange yourselves. Once again, never underestimate yourselves nor shortchange yourselves. What am I saying? I'm saying, as I always say, the sky is the limit. Whatever it is you want to achieve, it's within your grasp. I'm not going to say to you that it's easy. I'm not going to say to you that it's going to come overnight. I'm not going to say to you that you just wake up one morning and it's yours, but I'm saying to you, whatever it is that you want, it's within your grasp if you really want it. If you're really willing to put forth the effort and the grind to get there. If you're really willing to put forth the preparation that's required in order for you to get there. But then here's what I'm saying. There's so many of us, we've got the potential. We've got the skill. We've got the ability or the potential for the skill and ability, but we don't have the drive. We don't have the determination. We don't have the will. So therefore, we underestimate ourselves. We shortchange ourselves and therefore not strive to achieve whatever that goal was or whatever that idea was or whatever that ambition was, but instead we move in a different direction. Look for something that may be a little easier to achieve or attain because we underestimate ourselves. Here we are. You got a gold mine, and I don't mean that literally, but I mean you got this big idea that's ready to become your reality. You've got this dream that's ready to become your reality. You've got this vision that's ready to become your reality. And then because of the work that's required, because of the time or length of time that's required, it could be months, could be years. But in order for you to get there, you've got to put forth the work within those years. And you say, I don't think I'm going to go for this thing after all. Let me try something else. I need to make money quickly. So I'm going to do this other thing. And now that big idea, that big goal, that big dream, that big vision is never materialized. Because you underestimated yourself. Because you shortchanged yourself. You didn't realize that if you put forth the work, that idea, that dream, that goal, that vision would be yours. You would own it and you could live it and you could walk it. So I'm saying to you, young men, in this short message, because I told you I'm getting ready to go and do a presentation. I'm pumped. I'm excited. I'm ready to go. I'm on fire. But I had to stop. I had to pull over and I had to just talk to you. I had to let you know that you must never underestimate yourselves, that you must never shortchange yourselves. You must dream big. You must have these big ideas. You must think big, and then you go for it. And regardless of how much time it takes, regardless of how much energy and effort and grind it takes, that doesn't matter. You just go for it. Don't underestimate you. Don't shortchange you, but make it happen so we can meet up in the winner's circle and celebrate. Enough said. I got to keep going. Let's get it done, young men. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. This is Principal Kafele. Thanks for listening. Peace.